آج کے اس پروقار تقریب میں ہمارے ساتھ ڈپٹی لارڈ لیفٹیننٹ اور کنگ کے ریپرزینٹیٹیو جناب ناصر اعوان صاحب موجود ہیں، جو برطانیہ کے اہم نمائندہ اور درینہ دوست ہیں۔ اب میں انتہائی عزت و احترام کے ساتھ درخواست کرتی ہوں کہ ڈپٹی لارڈ لیفٹیننٹ جناب ناصر اعوان صاحب سٹیج پر تشریف لائیں اور یوم آزادی کے اس موقع پر اپنے خیالات اور پیغام سے ہمیں مستفید فرمائیں۔ براہ کرم زوردار تالیوں کے ساتھ جناب ناصر اعوان صاحب کا استقبال کریں۔
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم۔ Distinguished Lord Mayor, High Sheriff, Consul General of Pakistan, His Excellency, Vice Consul General of Pakistan, Police and Crime Commissioner, Members of Parliament, distinguished guests. میں اردو میں بھی بات کر سکتا ہوں لیکن میرے خیال میں اردو کافی ہو چکی ہے، تو اگر آپ لوگوں کو اعتراض نہیں تو میں انگلش میں بات کروں گا۔ It gives me great pleasure here to be representing the office of His Majesty the King. I think most people probably think I'm a soldier or, policeman or even custom officer or immigration officer, but I'm not. I was appointed as representative of the Lord Lieutenant of West Midlands in 2016. And I always say I've been very proud to do that. And I think what we should appreciate is that on merit in this country, Alhamdulillah, you can reach all offices of police, of army, of members of parliament, in the House of Lords, and representing His Majesty the King. And I think, we contribute a lot, as the Lord Mayor has said. We are 1.6 million Pakistanis living in UK, and we make 2.7% of the population of UK. And most importantly is our contribution, which actually the Lord Mayor alluded to, is our contribution to the UK economy is enormous, and our contribution to the culture, to the food, and we maintain diversity. And I think the most important reason, as Kazmi Saab says, why do we celebrate Pakistan Day, is that we have actually children here of third or fourth or fifth generation. To them, this is their home, this is their land, and this is their country. And we don't want somebody in a decade's time writing a story about the roots that was written in America, because people from the African nations forgot where they came from. So I want to keep it very sweet, short, and just wish everybody Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Taimabad. Thank you.